This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power to the HVAC. This protects electronics and prevents false readings. Remove the Google thermostat from its wall plate and inspect the pins. If any look bent or dirty, gently straighten or clean them. Once done, confirm the C-wire exists and the 24-volt supply at the furnace is stable. Without proper common power, the unit will reboot repeatedly. Make sure terminals are tight, then leave the stat off for 30 seconds before proceeding with reinstallation. After reinstalling, power up and enter the Diagnostics menu to force a system test. This shows whether relays and sensors respond. You should run heat, cool, and fan cycles so you can see which stage fails. If a relay does not engage, the issue is likely wiring or the base unit. At the same time, verify Wi-Fi and software status because firmware can affect behavior. If diagnostics show specific errors, note the code. It directs the exact repair step to follow next. If tests point to wiring or a bad base, replace the base or install a common adapter to supply stable 24 volts. You are fixing the root cause, not masking symptoms. Once hardware is solid, perform a factory reset to clear corrupted settings, then let the thermostat fully boot and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Finally, run another set of cycles to confirm reliable control. If it still fails, one key tip: recheck the 24V on the furnace while the thermostat calls for heat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.